Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video in English. Frankly telling, this is my first video, first talk in English. Okay, coming to the video. Today morning I posted one video about today's stock selections and my view about Nifty. So almost 60% same thing happened in the market. Okay, Nifty, we all expecting Nifty gap down because Nifty shows reds. We all know the gap down should happen. Once the gap down happen, I expecting the reversal around 11 o'clock. The same thing happened in the 11 o'clock. After first stop, it's almost based on the Europe market after 1 o'clock. The same Europe market opens positive, then our market will boom. Okay. Coming to the AMARAJABAT batteries. Why I choose the AMARAJABAT batteries for today tradings? I choose AMARAJABAT for simple OA buildup. Simple OA buildup in the upper side, C side. If you check Bob copy of the AMARAJABAT, you will get your answer. For my video, there is only one thing we need to consider is open price. We mark all our levels, all our lines, this line buy, this line cross buy, this line cross sells, this line too. So we all know lines. Okay, we all forget one thing, the open price. If price opens in our range, once the break the high or low, once the break that range, then only we took a trade. Otherwise we won't take trade. If you take a trading literally, you will get more profit. If you take trading seriously, you doesn't know where to enter, where to exit. You will learn all things, harmonics, patterns, OA analyze, data analyze, you will learn all the things. But each one give you each entry. It's confusing. Simply follow only one simple rules, simple set of rules. So I follow a range break. Same AMARAJABAT battery. Same this 972, 958 to 972 is on my range. The price open in between our range. The price breached above. Once the price reached above, I took a trade. Once I took a trade, it gives 4 points, but I never exited because my target always 1%, my SL always 1%. It is based on the condition. So I took a trade, the price reversing, so I'm calmly waiting for the opposite target because I know 60% the price would not breach the pivot line. If certain situation happen, price breach pivot and close, either 15 minutes or 5 minutes, I exit. I book the loss. Simple. But I know 60% confirm the price will make another one higher high. Patiently waiting for the target. This is one higher high, lower low, lower low. If you mark them 10 line, simple. If you are not a risk trader, if you are not an aggressive trader, means once the price breaks this lower low and close, exit it. Otherwise, you have to be in the patiently waiting for the target. So I follow the same thing. The price, I know the price push up. Some novice traders, once the price reaches the 3 points, exit the trade. But I won't exit. My target always on the 1%. So my target reach around 1053. Once the target reaches around this R1, I exit the trade because I know the pullback will come. This pullback either drag into the pivot also, so that only I exit the trade in R1. Simple guys. There is no secrets in the market. You have to learn the simple price action. Higher high, lower low, range breakout, retest. These are the things you should learn. There is no magic in the market. If it skips the SL, please accept and exit the trade. That's all guys. Today videos. Tomorrow I will post some my intraday stocks and also my view about Nifty. Before closing the videos, I'm just giving some advice to you people, to who beginners. Don't go blindly in the market. And also don't get too much connect other person profits. Even I am also showing some profits. Don't get into a heart. It will make you to invest more money and make you to lose. So always invest less, learn more, then you will be in profit end of the day. Learning is a key part in trading. I am repeatedly telling there is no magic. Simple learning will give you a good profit. I am just giving my experience and my view only. That's why I start this channel. And also, do you know trading? Trading is a very boring life. If you once in profit, it will make you very boring life. Once you know the price will go there, then you are a king of the market and boring in the life. That's why I started YouTube channel. Now I am happy. I am hardly working more than 6 hours on making videos, editing, noise cancellation, and all the stuffs. Okay, Namba. That's all today. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you for much.